up in that top there, we wash the fiber to make this bedding because you only want the fiber going back in the barn. You don't strip it off. And then you have it's not as you'll see it because it's really a key thing. We have the Value of Biogas West conference here in British Columbia. The biogas world has come to Abbotsford and Delta to learn where the world is at and where we're headed. Sponsored by Fortis, brought all the right players together and came to see the most important part of the renewable natural gas industry, the nutrients. What do we do with the rest of the product? Yeah. The other tours, there's I think 4 times as many on this one as the other ones, so obviously we had the right draw. 762 hours.